Hi folks, my name is Oleg. I am a .NET developer and welcome to my channel. Here I will solve different algorithmic problems. Together we'll try level up our coding skills and of course we'll prepare for technical interviews. I will try to post at least one video per week where I will solve different Leetcode problems. And today we're starting with our first one, to sum. And given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. I will try firstly to go through a basic solution, and then we will try to optimize it. I prepared such example that let's imagine that's our array of integers, and basically we'll try to build a pair for each element, and we'll compare and combine them, like 6, 2, 6 and 5, 6 and 4, and so on, then 2 and 5, 2 and 4, and so on, and then 5 and 4, and we'll compare if our pair is equal to our target, and if it's equal, then we found our solution. So let's jump into the code. Yeah. So what we need, we will loop through each element. Okay. Let's nums length -1, that's important, plus plus, yes, and I plus 1. Okay. So, and let's compare if nums I plus j is equal to our target. So that means that we found our solution. And we can break, actually we can write return here, and return new array and j. Yeah, and of course let's return by default empty new. Yeah, and if we will post this solution to Leetcode, it will pass all the test cases. But let's firstly try to improve it, because this solution is not efficient. Time complexity for it is O of n square, because we compare every pair. How we can improve it? We can use key value store in C#. That's basically dictionary, and instead of building each pair, let's go to our example. Instead of building each pair, we can go through our array, and we know target, we know each element, and we can actually search for our target match element and check if that element already exists in our dictionary, in our key value store. Let's go back to code and let's have a look how we can improve it. Let's remove this second loop. We go through each element. Yes, let's init our dictionary. Let's int for value in array, and int for position index element in array. Yeah, let's target element, call it target match. That's our target minus nums, and we check if target match already exists in our dictionary. Yep, that means that we found our solution, and we do return new and target match and our current position plus position of element of our target match. But we have to add our elements to our dictionary. So if dictionary contains actually opposite, if it's not in our dictionary, our elements, then we add element of array to our dictionary. We add to our dictionary, and that's basically it. Let's check. Let's paste our code to Leetcode, right? And run. Hooray! So all test cases passed, and as you can see, this solution brings us down to O of n time, because we go through each element only once, and this is much better for large inputs. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and keep coding and stay warm like a bowl of borscht.